Hello friends, welcome in SRD View. Today we are presenting Infosys Quarter 4 result FY 2021. Highlights of result Q4 2021 of Infosys. Infosys technology giant has reported 2.6% quarter fall in its consolidated net profit 5078 crores in March quarter, which was lower than the analyst estimate 5170 crores. Infosys also approved a share buyback plan worth rupees 9,200 crores from its cash reserve. Company also said it will buy back shares from shareholder at the rate of 1750 per share, which is on premium of 25% of the current market value 1353. They will buy back the shares from the open market, not from directly from retailer or institutional investor what did earlier. The company also announced a final dividend of rupees 15 per share, which is a decent amount. Now we'll see the income statement of Infosys. See the sales figure is 26,311 crores in March quarter. If you compare with the December 2020, sale was around 25,927 crores, which is just marginally increase in March. If you see the EBITDA in March, 6,985 crores. In December, it was 7,200 crores. It's a marginal decline. And if you see the net profit after tax, which is showing 5078 crores against 5215 crores in December. Now we'll see the quarter-wise net profit. If you see the current, just we saw the March 21 net profit is 5078 crores. If you see in March 2020 COVID quarter last year, Infosys reported 4335 crores result. Now in next quarter, June 2020, net profit has come down after a provisions 4272. In September, it has increased 4858, and again in December it's also increased 5215, and in March just marginal down 5078 crores. Now we will see the earning per share. See the Infosys reported around 12 per share earning per share, but if you see December 2020 it was 12.25 crores. In March 2020, if you see, there was only 10.19 per share was the earning, which has down in June 9.98, and in September it has increased 11.42, and December it was 12.25, and now it is around the 12. Now we will compare the top 5 peers in IT industries. You know, Infosys is the second largest company in India after TCS. Currently, Infosys market value per share is 1357 against market capital is 5,76,787. As compared to TCS, Infosys on second position. TCS market capital is around 11 lakh 81,000. It is almost double than the Infosys. And the other HCL, Wipro and Tech Mahindra is so behind to Infosys. If you see the P of the Infosys is 31. This is the second one after TCS. TCS P is 36.45. If you compare the book value of the Infosys to share market share value, it's 8.75 times. It is second highest after TCS. TCS having 13.57. And if you see the return on equity, which is 25.34% compared to TCS 37.52. TCS is the highest return on equity. If you see the 1 year performance, Infosys showing a 117% increase in share value, which is a third highest increase among the five. Wipro has given the highest increase, which is around 150. Then HCL has given 120, and third position in Infosys. If you compare the net profit, Infosys reported 19,423 is a net profit, which is the second highest after TCS. TCS reported 32,562. If it is a net sales, Infosys reported 100K, is the second highest after TCS. And if you see the debt to equity, it's a zero. If you compare to the other, almost every company having a below 1% in IT, it's a good thing that they have the cash reserve with them. See here the week chart. Before declaration of the result, Infosys was trading around 1440 with the news that they will buy back around 1750 or 1800. After declaration of result and buyback offer, the Infosys share had dropped from 1440 to 1400, and on 17 it's come down to 1353. The main reason is that everybody was expecting a good result. Result is also on target, but the buyback offer, they will buy back from the open market, not from the retailer or institutional. This is one of the disappointment for retailer. But if you see the long term point of view, once they buy back the shares, the automatically the numbers of shares have come down and earning per share will increase, and that will be automatically benefited to current shareholders. Thank you.